Tell me a little bit about Volta Ion. What type of problem did they have, and how did we help them with the customers?
Sure. We got a call from Chris at Volta, and they had come up with a unique solution, but they were having trouble trying to get a prototype made. They went to a number of different suppliers. Everybody just kind of put them off to the back shelf, couldn't get any responses. Reached out, we had a brief discussion, sounded like a great idea. Got our engineering and their engineering together to develop a product that we think is really a home run. One of their big drivers, they wanted a US manufacturer. Chris had, in his past experience, worked with offshore suppliers and just struggled really with quality and with availability and on-time delivery. So that was a deal breaker. It had to be manufactured here in the US. So he made a visit out here to STAR, took a plant tour, understood our capabilities, and the rest was history. Volta is, they're kind of on the cutting edge of automation, of green energy, renewable energy. And one of the things they were looking at was developing a mechanics lift jack for the trucking industry, for their maintenance fleets and things of that nature. They are really innovative in terms of robotics, electronics, like I said, renewable energies. Where they were lacking in was experience in the hydraulic end of the business. So what STAR brought to the table was a telescopic type of lift jack that was capable of lifting up to 40 tons in weight.
Why was STAR in a better position to help this customer out with customer solution rather than other?
Here at STAR, one of the things I love about this is that we're a privately held company. It's like a family. Yet we have the strength and resources of a larger company that we can really put the time, the energy, and the resources necessary to see something come to fruition at a relatively quick speed. Being able to make decisions in a short amount of time is exactly what our customer was looking for, and I think that's what the roadblocks were before he came to STAR. Companies were just not responsive enough in getting back to them.
When STAR develops a customer solution, what is the main goal with our customers?
Yeah, I think it's really understanding the voice of the customer. What are what are the problems they're trying to solve for, and really looking for that way to collaboratively work with our customers to develop a solution that's not only a win for the customer, but a win for STAR. That partnership is something I value, and I know our customers have valued. And when it comes to U.S. manufacturing, I'll tell you, there's nothing like having one of our customers come to our plant, and actually see the people that are making their parts. To see the smile and the pride, the sense of pride in the employees that are putting together, whether it's running a CNC to make those parts to ensure they're good, to the assembly department, to the quality checks in the paint department, they know they not only get to see who it is that they're making for and put a name to a face, but the customer gets to see who these people are that are actually making their product for them. It goes a long way, and we've had nothing but positive feedback from the customers that have been here.
What keeps our customers, or STAR's customers, coming back to us?
I think it's a trust and reliability in the product itself, as well as there's a degree of trust there. We stand behind the products that we produce. We 100% test, so anything goes out that door, where we are testing to ensure that it's going to perform when that customer opens that package. There's nothing worse than waiting for something like a kid at Christmas, waiting for that toy to open up only to find out it doesn't work. Well, it's the same thing for our customers. They want to know that there's trust and reliability in the product that they're purchasing from us. And I do believe that is one of the primary reasons they come back to us time and time again.